dance at 6, no girl, no higher. Body in the axiom, me in the product. You know, hear me, they call you shape good and offense and abuse dryer. I'm a broke.
Oh, wow.
Big so they just went to the bar. They just went to the bar. You see me? Yeah. I mean, so one money me chase, so you RP to take me not like fake friend, tell them we not them was that able and came me as we had to get them. They're gonna like to I'm a bro, God didn't go on. Okay, so we have to bring all that stuff to the bed for, but it's a slow down again.
Yeah, because the ball freeze. Alright. Yeah, no? Show the people in the South.
Sumfest! Everyone come and take the stage once again! Holy six and one.
Carry cloud in there. Holy six. Biggest thing this. What's up, party?
Anyway, you know what the thing go?
Yeah.
I know what the thing go.
Come here, I'll go get copyright.
Boss. Let me get copyright on the stage, right? I hear that.
Because they're still singing the song, you fool.
No.
Yes.
Take copyright. Oh, this is a freeze too much. It's going to stress me out.
Babe, don't have kansu? No have kansu? Yeah. Outside, nobody has sell kansu?
That's what man said.
Nobody not sell jerk pork? No vendor not there here. Big Sumfest.
No vendor
You poop again?
No.
You lie?
How much of them make one call to put family and face in the trouble if we feel everybody feel. Them thing know we are done in the street and not broke badness every day we are collecting.
Alright.
You put a pitch. Alright. You can go at night time. Okay.
I'll be far, man. There's a farmer.
Sumfest, watch out now, look who wants it there, so good out. The first time we come here, so we say, who good? If you feel like I am in your who wants, that's how I swear.
What's the chronicle can go on? A squash. Let me say,
and if you feel like come here, man, you look. Alright.
Anyway, guys, we're on Sumfest, night one.
Do right?
Oh yeah, so big up him.
Anyways, yeah.
You know what thing going on, like all the time, you know what thing going on.
So, I hope you guys are watching too. This was nice of them to be able to still put this on, considering the world's, state, because this is like one of the most popular nights in Montego Bay for the year. This kicks off like the festivities, for summer. Sumfest, ATI. Yeah. But yeah, we're checking in before the hurricane come. All these
sometimes it seems to cry, but it hears them finish. Please don't go with me up here.
Said we don't want your love, the simple things by your blessings. Sympathy, the way your blessings, your blessings. Sympathy, the way your blessings. You better notice your blessings. Not the friends where you keep, you know? Simple things are your blessings. Simple things are your blessings, your blessings. You better notice your blessings. Woo. Simple things are your blessings, your blessings. Simple things are your blessings. Whoa, you come back again. Oh, love you. Sing it. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Alicia. If I start off the vlog, I'm sorry, no. I out with a yeah, girl. But yeah, yo, I haven't been vlogging these last couple of days from like when we came back home. Up until now, I haven't been vlogging. We just been here chilling every day, just chilling in the house. Time out. Them say hurricane did I go come. I saw hurricane. One of them something they did I go come. Well, we were supposed to get a storm, or whatever. So it's been like rainy. If it's not rainy, it's been bleaky. Water gone. We can't even be it. Water gone. And yeah. But normally I'm in the house. Today I said I'll come run back. I have to wash actually. I have some things I'm gonna need to wash. But I'm not gonna wash them, probably wash tomorrow. Weekend I think I'm going to Montego Bay. I'm not too sure, but I think weekend I'm supposed to be going to Montego Bay. And yeah, so if you guys are wondering if there's like a major jump in terms of where there's not as many vlogs, there hasn't been anything going on. I'm still finishing up my quarantine. I have 2 days left or so I'm not really do road like that unless I have to. But yeah, and the only thing I leave my house for is food. Literally food. So yeah, if I have to leave, I haven't really had to leave. Bae's been cooking. Yesterday was Sunday. He made oxtail rice and peas and fried chicken. Day before that was Reggae Sumfest part 2. I saw it. Was it Friday and Saturday or Saturday and Sunday? I don't know, because we had pizza one of the days. Oh no, yesterday was Monday? No, today is Monday. Yeah, I don't know. Like I feel so confusion. I don't know what day. Today is what?
The 26th.
No, today is what day of the week?
Monday.
So yesterday we had pizza and the rice and peas.
Oh, pizza was the day before.
So Sumfest was Friday and Saturday?
Yeah, pizza.
Well, it wasn't Saturday and Sunday?
Friday and Saturday.
Okay, so yeah. Second night of Sumfest we had pizza. The first night, where did you cook before that? Oh, the stew chicken. Yeah. And that's...
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm still gonna go to KFC. I'm still gonna go to KFC. I haven't had KFC for
4 days. 4 days now. When do you come? Friday, I might KFC Friday.
I know Friday we come up, but Wednesday.
Wednesday, that's how long then? Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That is 5 days that week.
Look on that one here. Water gone, so look how you look. Go and stay. May I post it now? No, move. Oh. And this is AJ, guys. AJ, say hi.
Father first.
So it's just us burning up in the house. And as Mr. Water gone. When you fix your face, so you don't look cute.
Don't worry about cuteness, man.
Yeah, the people them feel see and them feel want you. I like that. I like when people want my man. When them say my man have a buzz. Yeah, people.
Yeah, I come up left man.
With him belly and everything.
Nah, no belly there.
Him say 5 months.
See there? Gone.
Wow.
Come
No,
belly
stop
fast.
sucking it in. Leave it.
Why? Not sucking, nah, go on.
Leave it. Whoa. Alright, people. When something more interesting happens, which I doubt it will, I'll come back.
So the place up on that, down here, cafeteria.
Shut up. There's still things going on.
Where?
Cause everywhere me go, me see people that do things. Cause you just no one go nowhere, go do nothing. This guy don't want to do nothing, you guys. He doesn't want to take me nowhere. He doesn't want to take me to the beach. He doesn't want to take me out on a date. He doesn't want to do nothing. He just wants to lock up in the house and dugu. That's all he wants to do. Just dugu in the house all day long. And me, the name machine. Me, the name robot.
Reject it and run. I'm ball free.
Y'all seen the mosquito bites for yourself, right? Okay. Don't talk. Don't talk.
All these people.
Hey fam.
My favorite is girl.
So we shall believe.
My empress.
Y'all, I just tried to go to the
Watch
bank.
us.
I just tried to go to the bank and I could not go to the bank. I tried to draw out $15,000. No.
$15,000.
Yeah, $15,000.
Jamaican.
Let me say.
Don't think of US because I want to reject.
Them say for withdraw a smaller amount. I try 10.
You know what?
Them say for try one smaller amount. Me do 5. Them say try one smaller amount. Can't get $5,000 out to the people that machine. So put in 3.
Blings.
Just hope someone have enough to get what we need a kid. Joel, why you always do that? When me a talk, you're supposed to have the video upon me. When me a talk.
Feature you fully. Features.
So anyways, we're going to KFC.
And this a Burger King.
That's what I dressed up to go to.
No, we're not keep. That's a COVID time.
No, you.
COVID
just
times.
Move like say no, we're not keep.
See there, even the streets empty. I saw curfew time. Now the streets full of them.
Curfew is not until.
No, curfew still a go on.
Curfew is not until.
Are you not going to too?
Oh. No.
Because the case, body the outer door. That means you have to go the outer door.
So guys, KFC, we're here. No dining in. So everything is locked. It's pretty much just like overseas. Everything is. I just showed them that. Okay. Social distancing signs. Thank you for social distancing. Yeah, we order with food, we're just awaiting now. You hear the banging? They're hungry.
Them too full, because I guess everybody. I remember upset the people them. Them pack up a bag of the this and people they are with. People look like it's upset.
The man was like, is it self-serve? Because they keep, it's like, if you guys notice, the counter for people that are waiting for food is getting busy. You know, stop, take customer and just serve them people there and then come back to the people that in the line. Or you get somebody to help out like a bit more faster with what's going on. Like, Jamaica, I always complain about Jamaica when it comes to come on to these things. Like, you have line up for everything. Every single thing where you need sign, stamp, whatever. There's a line up to go in a this line, and when everything could I just do in a one line, and you know what I'm saying?
People are proud of, you know?
But the lady actually had some good customer service. Actually, she was, you know, actually pretty cool. Is there anything else? Anything else? Is that to complete the order?
Long time she worked at
So she did. Why are you saying hi still, fam?
Hi again, you know? Bye again.
Y'all, tell me who's wearing their mask right and who's wearing their mask wrong. Joel, none of them marks them the state.
Where name?
Don't I knows.
Where name? Say mask. Say no?
Max.
Mask.
Max.
Max?
Max.
Max.
M-A-S-K-S.
Exactly, mask.
Max.
Yeah, the max. A max, that's it. Yeah, the people are alarm.
Be a thing that most of the people that are hungry people. I don't want to record it, but they're hungry.
They might walk on in ice cream music. Like a work, you might come from a road.
What time now? What time we get with food? 6:41.
I'm afraid I get cold like this.
My other one large, you know, so then better not try to run with me. And you better check the food this time, because the last time we come and buy a hot wings box, I go home, I get all of my wings, I get all of my chicken, I get no biscuit, and I get no coleslaw. What me pay for?
And enough time with them do it, I'm left it, you know, I say this time.
And then you want taste juice. KFC and let me down. You let me down.
Lazy, yeah.
Well, we're only waiting 4 minutes so far. So far, so
People
great.
come see people.
Then get them food now, though. Check, make sure you know your number.
47, 247.
So them call 45? Yeah. Wow, wow. Guys, I'm so excited. I haven't had KFC in so long. It's been like 5 days.
Yeah, so what is so long?
I want to come here every day.
Really?
Yes.
Why? You want to live here?
Yeah, I want to come to KFC. I love KFC.
Not good for the newborn.
Unborn. I love KFC. Joel, you know, say I love talk shit. They just talk on a lot of shit.
So sick.
Watch my period come. Yo, can you imagine if people man breed me, although some of you swear say I'm gonna give me twin?
People pray for that. Give thanks to the prayers.
Before we continue, shout out to the subscriber that we met in Pizza Hut the other day.
Yeah, true. What's your name again?
She didn't give me her name. I didn't get her name, but big up yourself. Thank you so much for the blessings. Thank you for supporting. She noticed People Man first. Everybody always notices People Man first. But she noticed People Man first and she was like, wait. That's how we should have. So yeah, oh God, if you guys ever see us, don't stop. Don't be afraid to say hi.
Yeah, no.
A lot of you guys see People Man. It's crazy.
No, I lady singing at the taxi once. One living on my scheme. Can't hide it. Good thing I have not hide and I'm pure now, yeah. Clean and our intent.
I don't say anything, oh. I don't say anything. I didn't say one word.
Yeah, we spice them, you know?
Big up on yourself, on a large.
Fam them, you know?
My blingers. My blingers.
Like I saw what time. That's the place I get empty.
Hopefully. Maybe that means I get fresh food.
And the fries are hot.
Yeah.
We used to the fries for
the last time I never stay good. They never do good.
Must really
all the thing too never have no buzz. It never have a buzz.
And then give me 7 up.
So yeah. But anyways, people, that is it for KFC Chronicles. When I'm reaching, I'm gonna show them what me I go cancel. Then me come back and I can not be able to go get the juice from.
Which juice?
What do you mean which juice?
Yes sir. Which juice? Shall I do that?
To go home. You don't want to get the 2 liter? No.
Oh, the ginger ale. No, where someone?
That's what me I said, why we never get that first?
Yeah, because we just pass this way. You can we get that tomorrow morning. I don't necessarily need that tonight.
What do you mean? You know, so we run through juice like, well.
Alright. We never have stuff with the KFC. I want it like fancy.
So you can't buy it in ice cream?
No, they're not selling ginger ale.
We don't have to get ginger, we can't get tea.
Get that thing.
Anyways, later.
Yeah, no.
So guys, we are home. We made it home. Here is our food. I got my coleslaw. This is the wing box. So it comes with a coleslaw. I upsized my fries for $50 more. Wait, babe. Wings, you get 3-piece, you get a biscuit, and then you get 2-piece a chicken. So I got breast and a wing, 1 regular, original, and 1 spicy. Baby's like a cannibal, so you got the 5-piece wings, barbecue, fries, and we mega sized our drinks as well.
Tim was a short guy. He was 5'2", and either always argue about who was taller, but they were both 5'2".
Watch your mouth.
So Tim isn't a perfect guy. He's had his issues.
So anyways, I'm gonna go consume this because I've been craving KFC all day long. It took me forever to go outside because I had to wait for water to come back so I could properly bathe. Yeah, so we'll consume this and we come back and we talk soon, okay? Okay, bye KFC.